Hi children, good morning. Fine? Okay. 10th class today English ma is day 7. Open your English textbooks. Take a pencil also ma. See in the previous class, the day departed 1, part 1. It was a plate ma. Plate means it was a drama. It was a drama where the characters are gone. So you all did as homework also. So today we just continue ma. So actually what they taught now, this is actually Henry and Amelia, they were planning to bring the bureau down. Okay, whatever it is. Now we let's see what happens in the next class ma. So as I said no, he asked for his slippers. He asked for his slippers, and there so he got a reply. Why to use your slippers? Why to use your slippers? You can get a new pair. You can get a new pair since father bought a new pair. Father bought a new pair, and the slippers are there itself. The slippers are there. So that is what she planned. Who planned? Henry's wife. Henry's wife had different things. Now again she planned for a bureau. She planned for the bureau. As I showed you earlier, she planned for the bureau, and she said no, that is the new one which father bought. And I was already from long since I was wanting it, and since my sister doesn't know, so we will bring it down. So this is what they plan. Actually, what the sisters, the husbands start now after the father dies. The father dies. The things will be, what are the properties, left back property will be divided equally. As because they have two daughters. This is what we have discussed, ma. We have discussed in the previous class. So today we will just continue, ma. We'll just continue. So then we will see the topic again. We will start from here, ma. We will start from here. So it will be easier for you to understand. Here, Henry, wife of the son-in-law of this old man. Okay, Ben, you must arrange with Elizabeth when you are dividing things up. So he said, no, Henry told as a husband, he told you must divide the things with Elizabeth when you are sharing the property. Elizabeth's that shop, she will see I am after it, and we will drive a hard bang over. So he said, no, what happened now? See, when the things are divided, Elizabeth will not agree. She will be back of me. She will fight for the property, and she'll want the best share. She wants the lion share. This is what they taught. Here again, Andy says, no, perhaps she's got her eye on the bureau as well. So here Andy said, see here, okay, Andy told. So she got an eye. She's planning for the bureau. Who's planning for the bureau? Elizabeth is planning for the bureau as well. This is what Andy told his wife. Here at once his wife replies, she's never been here since father bought it. So what now? Miss later at once she gave a reply. Elizabeth never saw the bureau. Because after she went away, father bought it. So she has no idea about the bureau. Okay, it was only down here instead of in his room. So if it was here down, if it was downstairs means, so they'll think the property is mine. Property is mine. It's not theirs. They will think. So bring it down as fast as possible. That's what she planned. Who planned? Miss Slater planned. She will never guess it wasn't our own. She never guessed it wasn't our own. Startled Amelia, he rises. Henry. So at once he gave a shock to Amelia. And he rises. Miss Slater, at once the wife replies, Henry, why shouldn't we bring the bureau down here now? So they wanted to bring the bureau right itself now. Who wanted? Miss Slater wanted. She told her husband, why don't we get the bureau at present now down? We can do it before they come. So this is what she planned. So when they come also, they won't have doubt whether it belongs to dad, means their father, or belongs to Amelia. This is what they planned. So here now, Henry Shelford, I wouldn't care to. At once Henry replied, no, okay, I'll bring it down. I don't care. I'll bring it down. I'll do what he wants, he said. So Miss Slater, don't look so drab. Why not? So I wouldn't care to. So he said no. First he was doubting whether to bring it or not. So Miss Slater said no. Don't look so drab. Means don't look so fearful. Don't have fear in your mind. Don't have fear in your mind. Who said? Miss Slater. Henry, he doesn't seem delicate somehow. So it is not delicate. Delicate means weak. No, we can say weak. It is opposite delicate is strong. Okay, so he said it is very strong somehow. Miss later, we should put that shabby old chest of drawers upstairs where the bureau is now. So he said, no, they had an old chest. Okay, they said they'll replace it there. They'll put it there in the place of the bureau and bring the bureau down. Elizabeth should have that and welcome. So Elizabeth could have that and welcome. I have always wanted to get rid of it. So they wanted to give away the old bureau and take up the new bureau of the fathers. She points to the drawers. So the drawers will have, let's see a table. We'll have this drawers under. No? So this she wanted. Miss later, I will fasten the front door. Means I will lock the front door. So nobody can enter. Get your coat off. Who said no? The wife told Henry. Wife said no. Miss later told. I will lock the front door. Get your coat or remove your coat fast. We will change it. We will change what? We will bring the bureau downstairs. This is what who says. Miss later says. So we can understand how clever she is. Who Miss later? How clever she is. This is what. Miss later goes out to fasten the front door. So at once she goes to lock the front door. Henry takes his coat out of Miss later reappears. So at once what happened? Miss later locks the door and Henry gets ready. He removes his coat and gets ready. What are they planning now? To bring the bureau down. I will run up and move the chairs out of the way. Miss later said, I will go upstairs and remove the chairs which are in the way. Victoria appears. Now comes Victoria, dressed accordingly to her mother's instructions. Now, what did her mother ask Victoria? The mother asked Victoria to dress in black. Because it was morning. So this is what the mother told Victoria. And as according to what mother instructed, Victoria did. What have you got of your coat for father? So at once a daughter, Victoria asked her father, why did you remove your coat? Henry, mother and I are going to bring grandfather's bureau down. So at once Victoria's father, Henry replied, I and your mother are going to bring the bureau down. Don't see our bureau now? What? Actually it belongs to the grandfather. Now they are planning to bring it down. Victoria, are you planning to pinch it or no, steal it? Okay, you can say steal, not rob it. So are you planning to steal it? Victoria asked the father, the young girl asked the father whether they were planning to rob it or steal it. So Henry was shocked because why? His small daughter had sense. She asked her father, why are you stealing grandfather's property? No, my child, grandpa gave it to your mother before he died. So Henry, he told his daughter that your grandfather gave it to your mother before he died. So it is her property. Victoria, this morning, when did he give it? Whether he get this today morning? That's before he died, she asked. Who asked? Victoria asked. Henry said yes. Victoria, he was drunk this morning. So Victoria said no, yes. Grandpa, grandpa was drunk. He was drunk this morning. He was in alcohol this morning. Who said? Victoria told. So Miss later appears carrying a handsome clock under her arm. So Miss later already she came down carrying a clock, means a beautiful clock. Beautiful clock. Can you see the clock here? Carrying a clock under her arm. She put the clock under her arm, bring it downstairs. Miss later, I thought I will fetch this down as well. So I thought I will bring this down. This one together with the bureau. I thought I'll bring the clock also down. She puts it on the mantelpiece. Our clock is worth nothing, and this always appealed to me. So our clock is gone old. Whereas this is looking good. Which one? Grandfather's property. This is looking good. So that's why I brought it down. Who says no? Who says? Miss Lady says. So here the topic now we can make out. Actually, what are the things? Actually, what property the two sisters must share. That is that's the second question. What they must do? They must see about the fathers to be works to be done. But here when they realize that the father, I expect, means Abel Mary would expect. They started planning for what now? For his property, for his belongings. Property and his belongings. And this is what we are going through to listen today, ma. This as we are going to as day 7. Day 7, okay, ma. Day 7 on this date, ma. And students, very happy, ma. You all posted your homeworks ma last time. You all completed your class books also. So what you must do now? Today your work is, your homework is as classwork. No? Homework is as classwork. What you must do till the dear departed one, till so far, till the dear departed one, write your English classwork, ma, or write down, or copy all the grocery. Copy all the grocery. My students, am I clear to ma? Copy the grocery, ma. And when you come into this lesson, the dear departed one, in your classwork, write the characters, ma. Write the characters, okay. But write neatly, ma. Remember, it is a classwork, not your homework. And I want the date also. The date also be mentioned. Okay, students? Am I clear, ma? Okay, take care, ma. And if you have any doubts, no, you can contact me anytime, ma. Okay, I have no problem to clarify doubts at any cost, at any time also. Okay, my students? Bye, take care, ma.